And also, the water may turn kind of white again from the fabric softener, because obviously the fabric softener that we were using was white. It'll turn it white again. And you guys saw some bubbles in there, right? That's from the detergent coming out of the laundry and the part of the softener too. But as it continues agitating, the water will just plainly turn white. But overall, the design choices on this washer are really good. And I'm happy with it. And the rinse is pretty quick too. The reason is because of the agitator, since it has very good turnover and it will wash and rinse well. With the rinse, it's very quick because with the agitator, it will get the soap out very quick and rinse very well at the same time. Versus on the wash, it wants to get the clothes very clean as possible. So that's why it is longer to wash with the agitation to get a lot of the dirties out. And rinsing, it does very well, so that's why it's very quick. Now, I have heard some people say that they don't like how quick the rinse is. But for me, as long as it gets the clothes rinsed very well, which it does, I don't mind it being quick. And that's just normal programming, so I like that. See, that rinse was like 2.5 minutes or just 2 minutes. Now it is draining from the soapy water from the rinse. Now once it finishes draining, it will sit there again for a few seconds, and it will lock and it will go into the spin process. And it will start speeding up the spin. And then in just a little bit I'll explain how the spinning goes. And sometimes, once it finishes draining, like right now, you can hear water going to the drain hose. You know why? Because sometimes the clothes can still have some water in there, and the drain pump will suck out that water, and it will go through the drain hose. Anyways, now we're on the spin. We're on the spinning process now. And then once it starts spinning, it'll spin at a slow speed like it's getting ready. But then, like right now, it will start speeding up again. It will stay at the speed for a few minutes, and then it will slow down again for a few, and then it will speed up and go into its actual speed for the final spin process. Okay, now it is speeding up a little bit more, and then that is when it will slow down and then speed up into its speed for the final spin, for the actual final spin. This is just like it's getting ready to do a spin process, is what it's doing right now. Like, this washer sounds really good. Okay, see guys, it is now slowing down, and then in just a few seconds it'll speed up into the final spin speed. Now it is starting to speed up. And I think for this spin, it should go half high speed, half max, half extra high spin. So half high, half extra. So high, yeah, half extra. So half high, half extra high spin. Half high, half extra high spin is going to be the spin speed, or maybe it might be extra high speed. We are about to find out right now as it is speeding up. And I can hear that mode. And I can hear that mode is speeding up. Like this one just speeds up very quick, and then it takes a long time to slow down. Now I think it is at its full spin speed. Half high, half max, half extra high. And overall, I hope you guys enjoy this spin process, because sometimes this washer can spin for a long time. And I think it will spin for a long time, like right now. Now, I have seen some other washers just spin for a long time, too. Like some can even go up to a 20+ minute spin. Like sometimes this washer does spin for 20 minutes plus. And on some models, like a digital washer, like the GE GTW 585. This one is the GTW 485, and you get a control for the spin, and you can shoot, and it'll still spin at the same speed it does, but you get to control how long you want it to spin. Like normal spin, it'll be like for 10 and something minutes. High spin will be 10 to a little bit 20 minutes, and then the max will be a 20+ minute spin. And normal spin gives it a good amount of time for spinning. Sometimes high too. Like it's basically normal spin or default time amount of spin, more spin, like you want to spin for more time, and then the maximum time for spinning. Now in this washer I did not have control of that except for the extra spin option. That's pretty much all I have control of for spinning.